Ikhansela lika-Ward 24 uSiyakudumisa Makhawula uthi-ke ukwenyuka kaphethiloli kwakamuva kufaka ingcindezi enkulu emakhaya adonsa kanzima ikakhulukazi lawo avele alwa nokwenyuka kwezindleko zokuphila. Amanani amasha kaphethiloli aqaleke ukusebenza namuhla njengoba uphethiloli ukhuphuke ngo-R3.27 ilitha, kwathi-ke udizili wakhuphuka ngo-R6.19 ilitha, nokwenezezeleke kanzima izindleko zezokuthutha kanye nezinto ezibalulekile zansuku zonke. uMakhawula uthi-ke lokhu kuzobangela ukwenyuka kwemali yokugibela ematekisini kuphinde kuqinise ubunzima kubahlali basemjondolo abethembele kupharafini. Ubese enxusa-ke ukungenelela kahulumeni okuphuthumayo okuzokweseka imiphakathi ehola kancane kanye nengasebenzi.
Uluntu kulindeleke ukuba lungene nzulu kwiipokotho njengoko kwakhona lifunquka ixabiso lamafutha. Uceba ka-Ward 24 uSiyakudumisa Makhawula uthi lo rhatya lulwamvila kuluntu, ingakumbi kubantu abahlala kwiindawo zogobityholo abasebenzisa iparafini mihla le abakwangamaxhoba wentswela-ngqesho.
When it comes to indaba yeparafini, because of masingabheki increasement yeparafini is R4.22, which is less nama-squatter camps amaningi, and abantu unemployment is too much, so majority abantu ayisebenzi, so it's going to affect them. And only ayibona bodwa abasemkhukhwini, nathi especially abasezindlini, because of sinenkinga ye-infrastructure ye-electricity current esininkinga, and njengoba sesi-approach i-winter kanje kuzoba i-problem, because njengoba bengisengishilo ukuthi majority abantu bethu ba-unemployment especially, and abanye abantu abaningi basebenza kuma-EPWPs and abanye badepende kuma-constructions. So when it comes to kuleyo nto le, it's going to affect us especially la eWoodini. Leyo nto le iyasilimaza kakhulu because of even nemisebenzi ayikho, we understand. So lezo zinto le seems sometimes ungathi azibhekwanga too much, kubhekwe i-economy ukuthi ingawo, and leyo nto le affect abantu each and every day.
uMakhawula uthi xa kungoku uzama indlela yokuthethisana necandelo leeteksi njengoko ukufunquka kwamaxabiso kuye kuphembelele ekunyukeni kwemali yokukhwela.
Mangabe sibheke kahle, even when it comes to kwindaba yepetrol, because of many community, ama-community members bekelo ngifonele ngicela ukuthi no masihlale phansi ne-Taxis Association, iBarra-City ne-Eldos, because of petrol ekhona masibheke ikhuphukile nayo ngo-R3.27. It's going to affect them futhi nayo. So currently I'm planning ukuthi as ward councillor ne-ward committee yami ku-transport ukuthi sibe nayo engagement nayo i-Eldos ne-Barra-City when it comes to that, especially ngoba bakhala ukuthi ama-prices akhuphuka kakhulu manje, so besifuna ukuthi sihlale nabo phansi si-engage when it comes to that, ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi at least basicabangele, because of bayazi ama-customers wabo ukuthi akathatheli intweni.
Lo ceba umemelela urhulumente ukuba angenelele futhi enze amacebo asemdleni wabantu abasweleyo. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eFreedom Park.